Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. Happy Friday the 13th. It is, it's Friday the 13th of August. All right. It's really hot here, by the way. I don't know why I need to tell you that, but it's just really warm. Looking at Bitcoin's chart, there's a pretty good looking, almost standard looking Elliot Wave projection here, where we're looking at the third wave occurring. If it's not the third wave, then we've already had our fourth, and we'd be ending at a fifth here. But the third wave in Elliot Wave is typically a 1618 extension of wave one. And what I mean by that is, just get rid of all that there. I know TradingView's got a nice Elliot Wave, impulse wave. So there's wave one, okay? And then here's two, and then three is usually an extension of the 1618 extension of one. So that's represented right up here at 53,703. That's where I would anticipate. It's also the 100% extension of that same swing. If we use a fib extension starting at 0, draw to 1, and then the endpoint is at 2. That's the 100% extension. That makes perfect sense as well. So 53,000, 54,000, 53,700 or 54,000 even. That seems to be the next place that we would see Bitcoin go before it finds a lot of stopping pressure. But we can further project more, because let's say that it goes up there, then wave 4 goes where? Well, typically wave 4 is I think it's 14, 23, and then 38. I think 23.6 to 382 or 14 point, I forget what it is, percent of wave 3. So if we were to do a fib retracement of that, then the deepest we would expect it to go matches up nicely with that the 618 fib extension. So 46,707. Or it could go as high as, I guess, the lowest we would see it drop. The highest we would see it drop, if that makes sense. I don't think I have that fib level drawn in here, do I? We'll just do this. It's 14.6, I think, something like that. So 14.6. Oops, got to put the right one in there. Maybe if I do a point. Different software, different ways of doing it. So yeah, if it hits up to that 54 zone, it could go back to 50K or as low as 46,700. And then from there, we would go up, because wave 5 is usually the 1618, the 123.6% to the 161.8% of wave 4, or sometimes it's equal to the entire move of 1 plus 3, which is a pretty big move, or it's just roughly 618 of wave 1. But if we project that out, then what we'll get is, I just had to pause it to draw it. So it could easily, right up here, around that 68K zone, kind of matching up close to where we have the all-time high. It would go beyond it a little bit. At that point, I mean, it may just create brand new structure and just kind of go way, way, way up into no man's land. And then before it comes back down to find support. But for Bitcoin, near term here, going into the weekend, reaching the... it seems like a long ways away, but you know how these bull markets can play out. Certainly, it could go up to 54,000 before we see it stop and face a good retracement. So look out for that. Otherwise, that does it for me. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.